Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix Snapchat support code C14A. Our first method is that you have to just check your internet connection and change the router of your internet connection. If you are using the mobile data, then you have to just turn it off and then turn it to the Wi-Fi, and if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it to the mobile data. And the second method is that you have to just turn on the airplane mode for 2 to 3 seconds. After doing so, you have to just turn it off and then restore your internet connection. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. If you are still facing the same issue, then you have to just move to the third and the most effective method. Then tap to open your Play Store or App Store and then search for your Snapchat. Doing so, you have to check that if it is updated or not. If not, then you have to just tap to update your Snapchat. After updating, your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just tap and hold on your Snapchat and then click on the application details. Doing so, you have to just click on the storage and the cache, and then you have to just click on the clear cache and then clear storage. Doing so, your problem will be fixed successfully. And the next method is that you have to just uninstall your Snapchat and then reinstall it. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. In some cases, these all methods not work, then you have to just contact to the support team of the Snapchat and they will help you to fix your problem. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.